Today, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about running Instagram ads. Hey, what's up? Welcome to the Helps To channel. My name is Gabriella Martay. I'm a musician as well as the owner of Helps To. Make sure before we even get started that you subscribe. And if you want to follow us, we're at Helps To Media on all platforms. And if you want to follow me, I'm at Martay Music on all the platforms. Today I want to talk to you about how to run an Instagram ad and what that looks like. My homie, he's a rapper, he hit me up and he was like, yo Martay, like I have no idea how to run an Instagram ad and I want to reach some people, could you show me? And then it hit me, you know what, a lot of people actually don't know this. What's ABC to some of us is not always ABC for others. So today I'm going to take you through exactly how I run an ad on my music page on Instagram, which has been super effective for me in reaching people and like sustaining my craft and like getting people to buy my merchandise and getting radio play, all the stuff. So we're jumping in. Here we go. So I'm gonna take you to my phone and you guys can kind of see what I'm doing here as I do this. So I go ahead and enter Instagram, of course, and what you're gonna wanna do, and there's two ways to do this, but this is the way I do it. So I'm gonna show you this way, and maybe in another video if you wanna know, let me know in the comments if you wanna know the other way. I will show you that as well, but I'm gonna show you one way today, okay? So you go to your page, this is my page, Martay Music, make sure you follow me, you know what I mean? And let's just go down, let's get a video that we wanna promote. Let's see, I'm looking for something that I actually think is cool to promote. Okay, so here we go. This is a video I did with my really cool videographer, Andre Ribeiro. I'll link his information in the description of this video so that you can find him if you're interested in doing video or you just want to be nosy, I get it. We did this video, and when you want to promote something like this, you go ahead and click this blue button right here. It says promote, and I'm clicking promote again because I've already promoted it. And usually what I do, I love to see an ROI, which is return on investment. So when I'm running an ad, sure, I could just run an ad to get people to come to my profile. That's the first option. But there's the other two options, bring them to your website or send them to your direct messages. I personally don't want a bunch of direct messages. I do enjoy you guys when you hit me up, but I want to send people to a video, which, you know, on YouTube, if I'm sending them to this video, I'm monetized, so I'm able to get money from that. I love to send people to my merch site, different things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and click your website, and I'm gonna click edit right here. Now it's gonna ask me for a URL right here. That's the URL from the video on YouTube, and that is my main mission. So you really wanna start with, okay, I'm running this ad, but what do I want to see come from it? What's your goal? Do you wanna get more radio plays? Do you wanna get more Spotify plays? Do you wanna send people to your YouTube channel? Do you want people to buy your album? What is it? You need to know, because that needs to be the end goal. My end goal is to get people on my YouTube channel so that I can make some more money to sustain my craft, or just get them to watch it, because I love to make videos and I want you to watch them. So that's the link to my YouTube video. And then you got to click your action button, all right? So you can click learn more, shop now, watch more, contact us, book now, sign up. For me, it's a video, so watch now is so relevant. You pick what's relevant for you in this situation. So I click watch now, and then I go ahead and click done, and then I click next. And then it's gonna take me to my audience. So my audience, I have a lot of audiences, guys, because I run a marketing company. So you could only imagine, right? I do this for a lot of people and myself. So for me, I label my audiences according to the company first and then what it does. And so like, for example, I have on here, Martay Music, let's build a tribe. That's for my touring. I wanna make sure I'm building a tribe in the USA for the places I wanna go. So I target those places. And then I have other ones, Tay Talk, I do these videos about, you know, different subjects of faith and whatnot, and that's for that specific thing. So I'm gonna actually go ahead as if I've never even had on audiences and create my own. So I just click that. I'm gonna go ahead and name the audience. I'm gonna put YouTube videos for that. And then I get to pick locations. So for me, I speak English, and so that's a huge determinant pretty much of like who can understand my music. No shade to people who can't. Maybe they might want to actually listen to it, but I typically target the USA, so United States, the United Kingdom, and I love Brazil, so I target Brazil as well. I love Brazil. So You can target whatever countries you want, and it's up to you. So I'm just showing you a few places that I target. I, of course, target more than this, but because I've done the research. So maybe you want to do a little research before, but and this says it's too broad. So maybe you want to just be a little more specific. Let's do, instead of just Brazil, let's do Sao Paulo, which is a major city there. And let's just be a little more specific. And let's do, instead of the United Kingdom, let's just do Dallas, Texas in the USA to be more, and then you can finagle this however you need to. Just keep going until you feel like it's right for you. It's gonna be different for everyone. So Instagram told me that's a great audience. I'm gonna go ahead and go with their interests. So I'm thinking as a musician when I'm doing this, whatever you do, music, design work, whatever, you need to be thinking of where are the people, which we just did location, that need to see what I have or that should see what I have going on for me in this post. And then you want to go ahead and think, well, what do they do and who do they follow? Because that's how Instagram does this. So for me, people who would listen to my kind of music and my style of music, there's an artist named Lauren Daigle. And so I target people who listen to Lauren Daigle. I target other artists within that. Tori Kelly has a great sound, and I feel like we're both kind of soulful here and there, and just different people. And as I do that, you know, the audience is gonna change and the numbers are gonna change. So let's go ahead and do that. And then I go ahead and choose my age and gender. It's up to you. I usually do 13 to about like 50 in there, male and female, you know, let everybody hear the music. And then I'm done. And then I click done. And then I click next. And then now you have to set your budget. I'm gonna set my budget to, let's just do $50 over the next 5 days. I click next, and then I click the button, create promotion, and we are good to roll. Instagram will then go ahead and see if your promotion is up to their standards, that you use the right tags. Sometimes they might shoot you back and say, hey, we don't like the way you said that or whatever. It seems discriminatory. Their policies are their policies, so you just rock with them and change your ad accordingly. And that, you guys, is exactly how you do an Instagram ad. So if you have questions, please let us know in the comments below or send me an email, send me and my team an email at questions@helps2.com. We are here to answer your questions. We're coming through every Monday with music marketing tips. And before you leave, I just want to let you know there's another video on how to crush it on Instagram right here that I made earlier in the year that might be very helpful to how you can actually reach people on Instagram and grow effectively. So make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.